For quality control purposes, there are times when you may need to analyze measurement data in a spreadsheet. DataCatcher assists you in gathering data and placing it directly into any application that allows data entry, such as Microsoft Excel or Notepad. Start by turning on your exact instrument and connecting it to a USB port on your computer. Launch the DataCatcher software and click on the Connect button. Once the software has connected to the exact, you can click on the Options button to set up measurements to fit your specific needs. In this window, you will see all the available measurement functions. To add a function, highlight it in the list, then click on the single right arrow to move it to the selected list. You can select as many as you wish. To remove functions from the selected list, highlight them and use the left single arrow. If you want to move all of the functions, you can use the left or right double arrows. The exact supports the measurement modes M0, M1, M2, and M3. In this window, you can select the measurement modes you wish to use. If the measurement condition lever on the exact is placed in the forward position, this list will only show M1. If the lever is placed in the rear position, the list will include M0, M2, and M3 modes. You can place a check in the box of the modes that you require. The next items are for formatting the data into the spreadsheet. You can tell DataCatcher how to move in the spreadsheet after each data entry is placed in a field. The block separator tells DataCatcher how to move in the spreadsheet after each measurement. Based on our selections, the data will be placed in a single row across the spreadsheet. After each measurement, it will move down to the next row and start filling the data fields from the far left. You can choose to have a sound indicate the completion of each measurement, and you can choose to label the data as you import it. When you've configured all of the options, click OK to close the window. You can minimize this window to keep DataCatcher running in the background. Now, launch your data entry application, such as Microsoft Excel. Label the fields as you need them, then highlight the field where you want your first data to start. Start taking measurements. The data will automatically populate each of the fields just as you configured it in the DataCatcher options window. For example, in our settings, the data for each measurement fills a row, then moves down and to the left for the next measurement. As I continue to take measurements, DataCatcher will fill out the spreadsheet.